Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Contemporary bathroom interiors thrive on sleek aesthetics and functional design. With the powder room as a canvas for innovative ideas, a monochromatic plates fosters cohesion and tranquility, while geometric patterns or texture finish add visual interest. Floating vanities and wall-mounted fixtures maximize space, creating an illusion of spaciousness. Lightning-like recessed LEDs or statement pendants infuses modern flair. Natural elements like stone or wood essence connect with the outdoor. Strategic mirrors amplify light and depth. Bold accents such as vibrant artworks or sculpture basins inject personality. Ample storage solutions maintain a clutter-free environment. Smart technology enhances convenience and luxury. Thoughtful accessorizing with towels, candles, and plants. Ideas, warmth, and refinement with delicious craftsmanship and high-quality materials ensure enduring elegance. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.